Let's take a close-up look at this Proctor Silex boiler. As you can see, first of all, the cable itself is pretty short, however it does detach, and I'm going to show you that in just a moment. To engage this, go ahead and click that little thing up as indicated by that light, and then you can also see the handy gauge to determine exactly how much water is left. In this particular case, I am filling it full of cold water, and I'm going to be using this water in my AeroPress, specifically the AeroPress Travel Edition. Now when it's all done, you can actually disengage the cable like so, because the cable is pretty small. Now we're going to go ahead and fill up our AeroPress. Yes, there are coffee grounds in that, and as that slowly burbles in, eventually we're going to take our little stir stick and we are going to agitate all of the grounds. Now, just because I'm traveling and I'm a little lazy right now, I did actually put some sugar and cream powder in this prior to pressing it. So I'm kind of killing 2 or 3 birds with one stone. After we are done stirring, you're going to go ahead and get the plunger and gently press that all the way down, and you get an absolutely delicious, perfect, freshly pressed coffee.